Welcome to Cloud to Future. We are now in Colombo 7. We help business like yours use the latest cloud technology for success. Our services are secure, easy to use, and make your future bright. Trust Cloud to Future for simple solution to boost your business today.
Welcome to the world of AWS Cloud Adoption Framework Business Perspective. In the realm of cloud technology, these capabilities offer a strategic roadmap for organization, especially in banking sector, to harness the power of the cloud effectively. Let's dive into how each aspect of these frameworks play a crucial role in reshaping the way business operates. There are several management systems. The first one is strategical management. Strategically, using the cloud accelerate the outcome, guiding long-term goals and optimizing operations, giving ever-changing tech and business landscapes. It's about continuously evolving strategic objectives. And the next one is portfolio management. In prioritizing cloud products aligned with strategic goals, ensuring efficient operations and time delivery, finding a balance between short-term gains and long-term innovation create a resilient portfolio delivering value with the resource constraint. And the next one is innovation management. In the innovation management, cloud adoption empowers organizations to innovate rapidly and reduce time to value and manage innovation risk. A comprehensive innovation strategy covering both incremental and disruptive initiatives become a driving force for long-term success. And the next one is product management. In the embracing customer-centric approach in product management involves organizing teams around data and cloud-enabled products. This fosters agility, facilitates quick iteration and reduces dependency between teams. And the next one is strategic partnerships. Strategic partnership with cloud provides open up avenue for growth, leveraging promotions credits, funding benefits, and co-selling opportunities magnify the impact of this collaboration, fostering success showcase through a joint case studies. In the next one is data monetization. Unlocking business value through a data monetization requires a comprehensive strategic aligned with strategic goals. Enhancing internal data monetization before exploring external opportunities highlights the importance for making decisions based on data insights. And the next one is business insights. Real-time insights delivered a cross-functional analytics teams aligned with business goals become invaluable. Utilizing data catalogs and virtualization tools empowers organizations to make informed decisions optimizing performance. Data science. In the realm of data science, the cloud becomes powerful tool for solving complex problems. Employee experimentations, advanced analytics, and machine learning enhance operational effectiveness and transform custom for employee experiment. In this perspective, as a cloud computing consultant, as a conclusion for this is the AWS CF business perspective isn't just a framework. It's a guide to navigate the complexity of cloud adoption as organizations in the banking sector embrace these capabilities. These aren't merely adapting to change, they are actively shaping the future. By strategically managing portfolio, fostering innovation, optimizing product development, forming strategic partnership, and unlocking the value of data, gaining actionable insight, and leveraging data science, organizations are posturing themselves for the forefront of digital resolution.
As a cloud specialist consultant for a bank, I focus on reshaping how they work in the digital age. This involves changing their culture, improving leadership, and aligning their team with new ways of doing things. First on culture evolution. Evaluate and codify current culture, blended heritage with new behaviors, faster workforce for continuous innovations include culture evolution. Second one is transformational leadership. Strengthen leadership for cross fundamental decisions, gain visible executive sponsorship, co-development culture change strategies include to transformational leadership. Third one is cloud fluency. Address training strategies and assess skills. Implement a skill guidance. Champion data literacy. Set up communities. Rewards knowledge sharing include to cloud fluency. Fourth one is workforce transformation. Workforce transformation include proactivity plan, talent enablement, which grabs in roles and skills, build a strong employer brand, uh, etc. Change. The fifth one is change acceleration. Uh, Apply a programmable framework, align and mobilize cloud leadership, and engage the organization and celebrate wins include the change acceleration. Sixth one is organization design. Organization design include assess and evolve for cloud alignment, implement change with an acceleratable framework, clarify internal and external team relationship, etc. Seventh and last one is organizational alignment. Establish ongoing partnership, prioritize business outcomes, set measurable target and tie efforts to customer experience. They include to organizational alignment. As a summary, in short, my job is helping the bank adapt to new way to working, making sure everyone on board is skilled up and working towards shared goals. Thank you.
Today I am going to talk about the governance perspective within the AWS Cloud Adoption dedicated to the bank system. In the world of banking, governance is akin to the guiding force that ensure the smooth functioning of operations, much like how Amazon Web Services adheres its cloud adoption. Its significance becomes a particular evidence when considering the myriad risks that banks face, ranging from the market fluctuation to potential fraud and the need to comply with regulation. Governed steps in the superhero aiding to the identification and effective management of these risks, contributing the overall stability of the financial system. Now we consider some points of governance perspective. First one is governance perspective establishes a framework for ethical standards and codes conduct within banks. This not only fosters a culture of integrity but also plays a pivotal role in building trust among customers and the broader public. Imagine it's a guide ensuring that everyone with the institution adheres to principles that contribute to positive reputation. Second one is governs functional as a guardians, implementing robust control to protect, assess, prevent fraudulent activities, and guarantee the accuracy of financial reporting. It serves as a watchdog, maintaining the reliability of financial information and safeguard the interests of stakeholders. When it comes to decision making, governs act as a strategic compass for banking, is provide a roadmap for setting long-term goals, defining potential threats, and ensuring that the activities of bank align with its overarching vision. This forward-thinking approach aids in making informed decisions that stand the test of time. Financially establishes is constituents of the banking sector, and the governance plays a pivotal role in achieving this. It involves effective financial control, accurate reporting, and protective measures to prevent scams, contributing collectively to overall financial protection of the bank. Transparency is another governance, opening decision-making process to scrutiny. Transparency is another key facts of governance. This transparency is not only builds trust among stakeholders but also allows for effective oversights by regulatory authorities, ensuring accountability within the banking system. Flexibility is curtailed is an every change in financial landscape. The governance provides the adaptivity needs to respond effective to emerging risk opportunities. It is the mechanism that allows banks to navigate uncertainties and stay alive in their operations. Um, Finally, governance defines the roles and responsibility of the boards of directors, offering oversight, setting policies, and approving major strategic decisions. It is potential the board as a central component in the steering the banking towards to the success. In essence, the governance perspective is not just set of rules; it is an integral component for establishing guidelines, protecting data, managing risk effectively, maintaining financial stability, and ensuring the adaptivity and success of the banking system. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm going to talking about the platform perspective within the AWS Cloud Adaptation Framework dedicated in banking system. And I will going to talk it in 6 major topics. They are platform engineering, platform architecture, data architecture, orchestration and provisioning, and modern application development. According to the AWS framework, platform architecture consists of infrastructure and application tolerance to meet specific banking requirements. In infrastructure layer, leverage AWS services like ES2 scalable computing and ES3 for storage and VPC for network isolation. Second one is the data structure. It consists in strategic data management, tolerant technology selection, and lakehouse architecture for seamless movement. In the banking context to manage, analyze, and secure the vast amount of financial data generated by the management system. In the data engineering, we consist on automated data flow for efficiency and blueprinted for reusability for seamless process. In the banking, this data engineering approach, the AWS framework, ensure the data is efficiently processed, managed, and meet availability. In the platform engineering, we talk in the security context multi-account environment
identity federation for seamless authentication, and infrastructure as code for consistency. In the banking system, platform engineering in the AWS framework ensure the highly available, scalable, and secure infrastructure. In the provisioning and orchestration, we talk infrastructure provisioning for governance and integrated with ITSM tools for efficiency. In the modern application development, we talk about cloud native application for innovation and continuous improvement for agility. In the banking system, AWS framework enroll agility, scalability, and reliability meeting with demanding requirement. Finally, in conclusion, platform perspective is the major topic in the AWS framework. Thank you.
I am going to talk about security perspective within the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework dedicated in banking system. A security perspective refers to a mindset or approach that prioritizes the protection and safety of assets, information, or systems. It comprises 9 capabilities. They are security governance, security assurance, identity and access management, threat detection, vulnerability management, infrastructure protection, data protection, application security, and incident response. So we talk about how it's dedicated to banking system. First one is security governance. This is like having a wise leader making sure everyone knows their role in guarding the castle. It's crucial to understand what's valuable, the risks we face, and the rules we need to follow. Second one is security assurance. We want to be sure our fortress is reliable, so we constantly check that everything we put in place for security is actually working. It's like giving our castle a health checkup regularly. Third one is identity and access management. Think of this as having special keys to certain room. We need to make sure only the right people can access the money wallet. We use a smart way to prove who we are, like using fingerprint or special codes. Fourth one is threat detection. Imagine having guards who can sense trouble before it happens. We need to keep an eye out for any unusual activities or sign of danger in our digital castle. Fifth one is vulnerability management. Just like fixing a leaky roof, we need to find and patch up any weakness in our fortress. Regular check and fix help keep everything strong and secure. Sixth one is infrastructure protection. This is like having strong walls and gates to keep unauthorized access out. We build layer or defenses to make sure our money is safe from any unwanted visitors. Last one is the data protection. Our money is sensitive and we need to treat it like a valuable gem. We lock it up, encrypt it, and make sure it is stored in a secure place away from prying eyes. A dedicated security perspective is not just a necessity but a constant for the trust and stability that underpin our financial transaction. Finally, in the conclusion, these are the main topic of security perspective in dedicated banking system.
Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. From an operation perspective, specifically focusing on its application in banking sector. So before we looking into operations, let's quickly address why the Cloud Adoption Framework is vital. It provides a structured way to adopt the cloud services, ensuring efficiency, security, and scalability. So now let's explore the three key pillars of operations: operates, involves, and consume, with a focus on specific components such as observability and management practices. The operate pillar includes the critical components such as observability, file management, incident and problem management, change and release management, and performance and capacity management. Observability is a capability to gain insight into the internal working of system by analyzing its outputs. In the context of banking system on AWS, this involves understanding and monitoring the entire infrastructure and application stack. Let's talk about event management. Event management practically AIOps. AIOps mean artificial intelligence for IT operations. Plays a pivotal role in ensuring the seamless operation of banking system in the AWS cloud. So let's talk about importance of AIOps in banking. First one is automated event correlation. AIOps analyze a vast amount of data to identify patterns and correlation amount in the detection of significant event. Next one is proactive issue resolution. By predicting potential issues before they impact operation, AIOps enables proactive troubleshooting and resolution. So, incident and problem management. In the transition of AWS, incident and problem management are pivotal for banking systems, operational resilience. So, AWS tool identification and resolution of incidents, minimizing downtimes while also proactively addressing underlying problems to prevent recurrences, and leveraging AWS CloudWatch and Lambda, the banking system can ensure efficient incident response and continuous improvement, enhancing overall operation reliability. So, let's talk about changes and release management. Change and release management are integral components for banking system transition to AWS, ensuring the controlled and reliable environment. So AWS provides a set of services and tools that enable systematic changes, deployment, and release process while minimizing distribution of ongoing operations. By leveraging AWS services like AWS Code Pipeline and AWS Code Deploy, the banking system can implement a streamlined approach to managing changes, reducing risks associated with the releases and ensuring the stable and secure operational environment. So the systematic approach contributes to the agility to efficiency of the banking system, cloud operation on AWS. So finally, we talk about performance and capacity management. In the move to AWS, performance and capacity management are crucial for banking system efficiency. Using tools like Amazon CloudWatch, the system can monitor, analyze, and optimize performance in real time, so ensuring scalability and cost effectiveness. So this proactive approach contributes to a responsive and reliable banking environment to a AWS cloud. So, in conclusion, the operations perspective of the AWS cloud adoption framework, with a focus on observability and key components like event management, incident resolution, and change management, forms the foundation of robust and efficient cloud operations. Thank you.